Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you very quickly how to highlight the cells dynamically in Excel. So let's say I have sales for the month of Jan, Feb, March for a set of employees, and my boss actually tells me to highlight the maximum sales done by each employee for a certain month. So I could just go ahead and select the values manually like so, but that's going to take me ages if I have a huge data set, right? That's not very productive as well. So undo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose my values. All right, come to home, conditional formatting, highlight cells, and I'm going to go ahead and choose more rules to have my own set of rules. All right, there's this function use formula. I'm going to go ahead with this. So in the first example, I'm going to show you for every employee, if I have to highlight the maximum cells that they have done. So equal to, let's just choose the first row, which is in D2, and equal to the maximum function. I'm going to use that and select this range like so and close the bracket. Now the thing is that because I want this function to move across each row, so first of all I'm going to make the first cell, I'm not going to make it constant, I'm going to make it dynamic. So I'm just going to remove all the dollar signs right next to that. And in this instance, I'm actually moving down each row. So wherever I see the row number, I'm going to remove the dollar sign in front of that, like so. I'm going to go to formatting. Let's just choose some color. Let's go with green or light green. Okay. And okay. And there you have it. It's highlighted all the maximum cell for every employee. Now, if I want to do it the other way around, if I want to see the highest sale for every month, so that could be done as well. Let's just do Control Z. Again, conditional formatting, highlight more rules, same way, use formula. In this case, again, we're going to start off with the first cell. And let's just remove the dollar signs because we wanted to move across each column. All right, and maximum. And this time, instead of going to choose, instead of the rows, I'm going to actually choose the column and close bracket. Now, because my columns are going to keep on changing, it's going to be Jan in the month of, like Jan in the column of D, Feb in the column of E, and so on. So I am going to remove the dollar sign in front of the column D, all right? Go to format and let's choose another color. Okay, and there you have it. Here, because there was a tie between two people, so it's highlighted two cells. All right, I hope you find this trick to be useful and productive. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to cover anything else, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, much love, God bless, bye. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, stay tuned. Much love. God bless. Bye.